To adopt AI or not to adopt AI? That debate is over. As you end the year, be very clear. Leaders who master AI will own 2026. Not because AI replaces leadership, but because AI enhances the clarity, confidence, communication, and competitiveness required to lead at the highest levels. And some of the most respected voices in leadership, innovation, and strategy agree. Here are 4 notable global authorities who have become the face of AI adoption. Strive Masiyiwa, founder and executive chairman, Cassava Technologies. Masiyiwa is deploying AI-powered digital infrastructure across Africa through Cassava, including cloud platforms, enterprise AI systems, and cybersecurity solutions. His leadership message is clear. AI is central to Africa's economic competitiveness. This is not experimentation. This is continental-scale strategy. Dr. Fei-Fei Li, Stanford professor and foundational AI leader. Fei-Fei Li is one of the most respected figures in AI globally. Her emphasis is not just technical. AI must be guided by responsible, values-driven leaders. She situates AI squarely within leadership ethics, judgment, and societal stewardship. Bob Sternfels, Global Managing Partner, McKinsey & Company. Sternfels champions AI as a CEO-level priority. McKinsey's global analysis show AI maturity is becoming a leadership indicator, not a technical one. Organizations with strong leadership direction in AI adoption report better efficiency, stronger innovation, and clearer competitive differentiation. Marshall Goldsmith, world-class executive coach. Founder Marshall Goldsmith.ai. Goldsmith didn't resist AI. He integrated it. His AI-powered platform extends his world-renowned coaching frameworks to more people while maintaining human oversight. His message through action, AI, used well, scales leadership impact. These leaders aren't treating AI as a trend. They're treating it as a leadership capability. Let's break down what that means. Hi, I'm Modesta Mahiga, and this is the Authority Advantage podcast, where we transform leaders and organizations into global authorities that lead the markets they serve. What the data actually shows. Let's look at what credible research reveals, without exaggeration. Productivity. An MIT Sloan study found that generative AI increased productivity for highly skilled professionals by nearly 40%. This was not administrative work. It was complex, cognitive, leadership-aligned work, writing, analysis, strategic thinking. Team performance. A multi-team experiment, 435 participants, 122 teams, found that teams using generative AI significantly outperformed human-only teams, especially in idea generation, content quality, and execution speed. This doesn't mean AI replaces teams. It means AI augments teams. Organizational competitiveness. Organizations classified as AI high performance repeated stronger innovation capability, improved efficiency, higher customer satisfaction, noticeable competitive differentiation. Together, this data points to one conclusion. The leaders who can think with AI, speak with AI, and strategize with AI will have the advantage. The AI advantage for leaders. AI is often misunderstood. It is not a replacement for judgment, a shortcut, a threat to leadership, an IT thing, a Google upgrade. Here's what AI truly is for executive-level leaders. AI is a clarity engine. It refines thinking and produces structured, compelling communication. AI is a strategic partner. It models scenarios, identifies risks, and maps opportunities. AI is a communication amplifier. It sharpens vision, strategy, speeches, proposals, and stakeholder messaging. AI is a creativity catalyst. It accelerates ideation, reframing, scenario building, and problem solving. AI is a leadership multiplier. It gives leaders more leverage, insight, and depth. AI enhances leadership. AI expands leadership. AI strengthens leadership. This is why leaders who master AI will own 2026. If you're convinced but still cautious, I hear you. For a long time, I refused to use AI. It felt like cheating, just like previous generations felt about calculators or Excel. Let's address real concerns. The most common leadership fears. AI will replace me. No, AI replaces tasks, not leadership. If your leadership needs strengthening, reach out to me for coaching. AI is too technical. Not anymore. Generative AI understands natural language, your normal speaking or writing, and responds conversationally. AI is unethical or unsafe. AI is a tool. Ethical, responsible leaders determine how AI is used. AI kills creativity. Research shows AI actually enhances idea generation and creative exploration. I don't have time to learn this. Avoiding AI will cost you far more time and far more opportunity than learning to use it properly. Introducing the Global AI Advantage for Leaders. This December, I'm hosting a live interactive masterclass series for senior executives, founders and CEOs, advisors and consultants, firm leaders, and professionals preparing for 2026. You'll learn how to use AI the right way, how to elevate your executive communication, how to build a globally competitive leadership brand, how to refine strategic documents and messaging, how to apply AI to your real leadership challenges, how to strengthen organizational competitiveness, how to position yourself to win in 2026. If you want AI to be your leadership advantage, not a threat, not a trend, not a risk, join us. Leaders who master AI will own 2026. Be one of them. The registration link is in the show notes. Until next time, I'm Modesta Mahiga, and this is the Authority Advantage podcast. Subscribe and leave a review so we can reach other global leaders like you.